Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Come today, Petrojam said the price for gas go up because of the war we are going between Russia and Ukraine. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPS said them a worry say them have to go raise the light because the price for gas go up because of the war between Russia and Ukraine. Some man find one World War II bomb in a newly closed in a Mandeville, Manchester, when them a clean out one fish pond. The West Indies woman them win them first two game in the ICC 50 over World Cup after them beat defending champions England. Now for the full tour of them. Come today, Petrojam said the price for gas go up because of the war we are going between Ukraine and Russia. According to Petrojam, 87 and 90 gasoline, automotive diesel, ultra low sulfur diesel, butane, propane and kerosene go up by $4.50. Last month, Petrojam said the cost for gas go up because of Ukraine and Russia. Since the start of 2022, some gas price gone up by almost $20. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPS said them a worry say them have to go raise the light because the price for gas go up because of the war between Russia and Ukraine. JPS said Jamaica depend on oil will come into the country and natural gas for make light. According to Vernon Douglas, who is JPS Chief Financial Officer, the war in Ukraine make oil well dear now. Him said the price for oil and natural gas did go up from last year and it will go up more now. Him said the government might have to go step in so this no pass on to the consumer them. Some man find one World War II bomb in a newly closed in a Mandeville, Manchester when them a clean out one fish pond. According to Superintendent Lloyd Darby, or the commanding officer for the Manchester Police, people find the bomb around 1 p.m. and call them. Him said them call some member of the Jamaica Defence Force JDF and they move the bomb and said them go give it to Vernon Field in a Clarendon. The police are reported them shot and killed 4 men in a one shootout in a Windsor Heights Central Village, St. Catherine yesterday morning. The man them are 21 years old Romario Brewster, who people call Mari, 24 years old Patrick Brown, who people call Welsh, 22 years old Nigel Adams, who people call Badger, and one 16 years old boy. On top of that, the police said them find 3 guns where people now have no license for too. Some news are come out of St. James. A gunman shot and killed 3 members of one family last night. The dead people them are 2 19 years old twin and them brother. According to the police report, people hear gunshot around 8 p.m. and call them. The police said them think the gunman them did want to kill the twin and them brother get killed when he might try get away. The St. James police are looking at what going. Now for sports. The West Indies woman them win them first 2 games in the ICC 50 over World Cup after them beat defending champions England. This means that the Windies woman them beat 2 out of the top 5 team in a ODI cricket. The West Indies woman bowl out England for 218 runs after them did need 225 runs for win. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.